Hi everyone, this is Sai Karthik. Today's video is about the latest Gmail and Yahoo guidelines for email deliverability, how it is going to impact the email marketing. So today I'm going to explain what are the latest guidelines of Gmail and Yahoo that is going to impact your email marketing. So stay tuned to my video. So majorly there are three important guidelines that was released by Gmail and Yahoo, and that is going to be effective from February 1st, 2024. So what are those guidelines and how it is going to affect your email marketing? If you are a B2B business or a B2C, or you started email campaigns, cold emailing, so how it is going to impact your business, how this guidelines is going to impact your business, we'll be discussing in this video. So first of all, the first impact is if you are sending an emails which is more than 5,000 emails per day, if you are targeting the Gmail and Yahoo users, and if you are sending more than 5,000 emails to Gmail and Yahoo users, then these guidelines will affect you. Like, the domain that you are using to send the emails to your subscribers, the Gmail and Yahoo, the domain should be authenticated. So the domain should be authenticated. Domain should be authenticated in the sense like all the DNS records should be updated, like the DNS records such as DMARC, DKIM, SPF. So these records should be updated on your domain. So whenever you update all these records properly, then you are eligible to send 5,000 emails per month, sorry, per day, to all the Gmail and Yahoo users. If you are not authenticated, like if you did not add all the DNS records like DMARC, DKIM, and SPF, if you fail to update all these DNS records into your domain, then all your emails are going to be blocked by Yahoo and Gmail from February 1st, 2024. So this is the first guideline, so that you need to be taken care of, and this is the first guideline. And the second guideline, so the second guideline is spam rate. So if you're sending an email, like if you're sending 10,000 emails a day, or 1 lakh email a day, if your subscribers or your users has marked your emails as spam, like if your emails were spam, if the spam percentage is 0.1% with Gmail, then Gmail will be going to block your IP. So this is the latest spam benchmark that was created, that was updated by Gmail. So if you cross 0.1% of spam rate, then you're going to face consequences. Your IP is in risk, or your email deliverability is in risk. So make sure you need to have a less spam rate, which is less than 0.1% for Gmail. So for Yahoo it's 0.3%. If your emails are marked as spam by 0.3% of your subscribers of the send, for example, you have sent 10,000 emails, and in the 10,000 emails 0.3% of your subscribers has marked your email as spam, then Yahoo is going to block your IP. Yahoo is going to restrict your domain, and you're going to face a deliverability issues with Gmail and Yahoo if you fail to if you fail to reach all this benchmark. So, and the last and final one click unsubscribe. So for example, every email has an unsubscribe button. You should have an unsubscribe button according to the email guidelines or can spam guidelines. You need to have a unsubscribe button. So that unsubscribe button should be one click unsubscribe. So it's a one click unsubscribe. Sorry. So it's a one click unsubscribe. Whenever the person or a subscriber opens your email, and whenever he click on an unsubscribe button, at that time he don't need to navigate to another page. So the unsubscribe should be done in that email platform itself, right? For example, when I received an email in Gmail, I should have unsubscribe button at the header itself, so I can directly click on unsubscribe, so that it's a one click unsubscribe. So if you are not following all these three guidelines, then you're going to face huge deliverability issues. So, and one more thing, uh, the first thing is the domain should be authenticated. How to authenticate your domain? So there are two big market players in order to authenticate your domain. So the first one is G Suite. So you need to have paid subscription of G Suite, and once you pay for G Suite, and G Suite will be providing you DMARC, DCAM, SPF records. You can update these records into your domain. And the second one is Microsoft 365. So if you're not okay with G Suite, you can go ahead with Microsoft. Once you take the subscription, you need to Microsoft will be providing all the DNS records, required DNS records. You need to update all the DNS records, and once it is updated, the domain will be authenticated. And yeah, so once the domain is authenticated, you're good to go. You have followed all the guidelines, like the first guideline of the Gmail and Yahoo. And if your domain is already authenticated, if you are already added all the required DNS records, then how to check your whether your domain is authenticated or not? So there is a website called Mail Tester. So you need to send a test email. You need to send a test email to this particular domain. Sorry, this particular email. So once you have sent a test email to this particular email, click on check your score. Once you click on check your score, a report will be generated. And you can see whether this particular domain is authenticated or not. We'll just have a look. We will be sending a test email, and we'll be showing you how this report works. So I have my email, so I'm just opening. So I've just selected on my template. So first of all, I need to copy this, and yeah, so I need to add it to any of the list. So it's done. Then I'll just go here and check your report. It's showing as 9.3, and it will show you whether you are fully authenticated or not. If you see DCAM is valid, you do not have a DMARC record. See, I don't have a DMARC record on my domain, so it's marking me as I don't have a DMARC record. In the same way, whenever you send an email, test email, so you'll be having this report, and you can see what are the DNS records that are configured in your domain, and you can check if there are any issues with the existing DNS. So this is how, if you follow all these three guidelines, then you'll be having a smooth deliverability from February 1st, 2024. So because Yahoo and Gmail, these two ISPs, these two email platforms has almost 30% almost 30% of all 30% of the data. Like if there are 100 emails, 30% of the emails are from gmail.com and yahoo.com. So it's not a this is it's a time to take this guideline seriously and follow these guidelines and make have a smooth deliverability from February 1st 2024.